Welcome to Elite Service Masters channel. Are you looking for the perfect roofing contractor but feeling overwhelmed by the options? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate roofing contractor checklist, a step-by-step guide designed to help you find the best professionals for your roofing project. Whether it's a small repair or a full roof replacement, this checklist will equip you with the knowledge you need to make an informed decision and avoid costly mistakes. First things first, let's talk about understanding roofing materials. Before you even start searching for contractors, it's important to know what kind of roofing materials are available and which one suits your home best. Are you thinking about traditional asphalt shingles, or maybe metal roofing for its durability? Perhaps eco-friendly options like solar tiles are more your style. Familiarize yourself with the pros and cons of each material, and make sure to consider factors like your home's architecture, climate, and of course your budget. When you know what you want, you can better communicate your needs to potential contractors. Now let's move on to the heart of the checklist, evaluating contractor credentials. This is where things can get tricky, but also where the most crucial decisions are made. Start by verifying that any contractor you consider is licensed and insured. This is non-negotiable. A licensed contractor means they're recognized by your state and have met certain standards. Insurance, on the other hand, protects you in case of any accidents or damage during the project. Don't just take their word for it. Ask to see proof of both. Next up is experience and specialization. Roofing is a complex trade, and you want someone who knows the ins and outs of the specific material you've chosen. Ask how long they've been in business, and if they've handled projects similar to yours. A contractor with a solid track record in your specific roofing material is more likely to deliver high-quality results. Now on to the nitty-gritty assessing quotes and bids. When you start getting quotes, don't just jump at the lowest price. A suspiciously low bid might mean the contractor is cutting corners or using subpar materials. On the other hand, a very high bid doesn't always guarantee top-notch quality. Look for a quote that offers a good balance, reasonable pricing with clear details about the materials, labor costs, and any other expenses. Always ask for a breakdown of the cost to understand exactly what you're paying for. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time to check references and reviews. Ask each contractor for references from recent projects. When you call these references, ask specific questions. Were they satisfied with the work? Was the project completed on time and within budget? How did the contractor handle any issues that came up? Beyond direct references, look up online reviews on sites like Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau. Pay attention to how the contractor responds to any negative feedback. A professional, constructive response can be a good sign of their commitment to customer satisfaction. Another crucial step is inspecting their portfolio of past work. Most reputable contractors will have a portfolio or a gallery on their website showcasing previous projects. Take the time to look through these examples, especially those that match your project's scope and material. This will give you a visual sense of their craftsmanship and style. Next, let's talk about communication and transparency. From your initial contact, pay attention to how well the contractor communicates. Are they answering your questions clearly? Are they upfront about potential challenges? A contractor who is transparent about timelines, costs, and potential issues is likely to be more trustworthy. Clear communication is key to avoiding misunderstandings down the line. Before you make your final decision, make sure to discuss warranties and guarantees. A reliable contractor should offer a warranty on both the materials and the workmanship. Make sure you understand what is covered, for how long, and what the process is if you need to make a claim. This is your safety net if something goes wrong after the job is done. Lastly, don't forget about the contract. Never start a roofing project without a detailed written contract. This document should outline everything: the scope of work, materials to be used, payment schedule, timelines, and any other agreed upon terms. Make sure you read and understand every part of the contract before signing. If there's anything unclear, ask for clarification. This contract is your legal protection, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. And there you have it. our ultimate roofing contractor checklist. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to finding a roofing contractor who's reliable, skilled, and right for your project. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips. And if you know someone who's about to start a roofing project, be sure to share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your roofing journey.